Who's the winner?
Let's find out. I can't wait to make some paper airplanes. Let's open this up. Let's know hit the like button if you did paper airplanes before. Let's open this box up. We got these things.
Paper airplane shooters.
Paper airplane shooters. We have a stretching book. We have all of these cool kinds of paper. Ow, that got me a little bit. And some rubber bands. Let's build this now. Hey guys, we're going to show Mom5000.
Hi, FlapJack5000 fans. Thanks so much for having me on this special edition of Paper Airplanes.
All right. I have this airplane. Also this airplane. And also
Wow,
this
that
airplane.
one is super cool. I'm really excited to see how that turns out. I picked this one, and I had to go with your classroom classic. Should we get to building?
Yeah.
Oh, here's one of yours. Do you want to do this first?
Yeah.
Wow, I think that took an hour.
Yeah, pretty much.
Well, here's one.
What took for an hour because Mommy was like, alright, like this way. The direction won't make the right way.
I guess we'll start the next one. We'll cut back when they're all done since the first one took so long.
Like an hour. This one is the Main Street. This one is the Sky Stripe. And the Orbiter. Wait. And Team Mom5000 is
The Fleur de Loup. Katana. And the all-time classic. Classroom classic. How about we take these outside and test them on our tournament? I think that's a yes. Let's go.
Go. Hey guys, we're back. Let's do this.
We're gonna start our tournament. My Katana versus Jackson's
Star thingy. Star Sprite.
Star Sprite. Here we go.
3, 2, 1. Katana, where's the battle? Hey guys, we're on the round 2. My Order versus Classroom Classic.
Are you ready?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I didn't see yours. Where is it?
It's right there.
Where'd it go? Where? Oh! Did you throw it backward?
No, the wind took us back from you, Mean Streak. You look do it like they can.
Mean Streak first. Fleur de Loup. Here we go. Is it going to be a
Sword
sweep?
round. 3, 2, 1, go!
Mine didn't do much looping.
Boys, won the battle!
Whoa, whoa, I think it's a tie.
Let's see.
You just kicked my
Wait,
back.
where was it? Right here?
I think it's a tie. Let's race again.
Yeah. 1, go! No!
Mom sweeps
it's Mom5000 won. We'll see who did the best. Of course.
All right.
It's
First
the
up,
Katana.
first the floor de loop. I
3,
expect some loopage.
3, 2, 1, go!
What are you? That's not. How are you throwing it?
Let's do the read. Like this, right, Mom?
No,
How do you throw it?
like this.
Oh.
Have you been throwing all yours wrong?
3, yeah, grab. 3, 2, 1, go! Look like the Katana. Why? It's the Katana.
First the classroom classic. Here we
3,
go.
2, 1. That did not work.
Nothing beats a classic.
This is the Ultra Mega Finale.
Oh, I thought we were all done.
No,
Oh, okay.
these 3 versus those 3. Okay, how many was mine? 3,
Alrighty.
2, 1.
You'll get the hang of it. Hey, if you like this video, be sure to give us a...
Thumbs up a billion times.
We have so many more airplane designs we could fold, and we'd love to keep the tournament going, but only if you enjoyed it. Bye!